Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. If you haven't noticed, I haven't been posting many videos. I've been working on a prototype. This is a working prototype. I've still got to add a couple more features to it, but this prototype is nothing like it you've ever seen. This prototype is a universal interface board. Now, what I mean by that is, if you've been following my YouTube channel and you've been watching my videos, and you know I have an interface board for the L model, the S model, the TYT, Bridgecom, etc., etc., etc. Well, this board will be able to do all that and then some. Okay? Now, let me explain what I mean by that. I've been testing this with the RA87s in repeater mode. Works perfect. I tested it with the middle radio, which is the TYT radio. In this case, it's actually the RT9000, same thing. Works perfect. Now, what I mean is, I have it Zello in gateway mode. Now, remember, gateway means COM ports. Okay? So, if you're wondering, how can I have an R87 hooked up to Zello and gateway when there's no DB9 on that radio? That's exactly the reason why, because of that interface board I built. Now, I don't want to get in a lot of details. This interface board has been working great, and I'll get into more details later. But here's the beauty of it. It will also work with radios that do have a DB9 or a COM port in back of it because of the screw terminal. So if you have a radio that does not have a COM port, like a mobile, and you want to hook it up, as long as you can use the mic jack to plug in an RJ45, that's what I did here, and I wired it up, and then I use the speaker out jack on the back of that radio, and I convert all that to a COM port. And you're probably wondering, well, is that like a Vox? Yes, but it's better. What I have here is something you've never seen before, and it uses a digital display. So I don't want to say a lot, but I've been testing this with another gentleman. This thing has been working way good. But if you don't need to use a Vox and you want to hook up a radio that has a DB9 or a data port, you can with the screw terminals. So it works with any radio. So my point is, I can eliminate all those boards I have on my website and have one board that will do any radio. And when I get done, I haven't done this yet, it'll have built-in repeater ID that uses an MP3 file. That I'm working on that circuitry next. First, I had to test this. I do it in stages. I test. And if you notice, the weather radio, some of you keen-eye people, have I been testing with that board with this? Maybe. We'll see. So, there you have it. Stay tuned. It's going to take a little time, but that is what we got. A universal interface board that will have built-in repeater ID if you don't want to use a computer, or if you do want to use computer, it'll have a COM port where you can put Zello or anything else in gateway mode, or use the weather announcements or whatever you want to do. It will work with that. And built onboard MP3, you use the digital display, you punch in how many, 10, 15, whatever, boom. Direct solar hookup, no adapters needed. This is no, knock on wood, I don't want to jinx myself. This is going to be something you've never seen. And I don't want to get into details. There's a special way I'm doing this with the Vox when you got to use Vox or the speaker out. So as you know, the R87 does not have a COM port. And that's what I'm testing now. And I did also test it when I did have both radios in a repeater mode, and I tested and it worked great. And I also tested it with that TYT or RT9000 radio without the COM port, by the way. this radio does have a COM port. I could do it both ways. So you won't need to buy that DB9 adapter for that radio no more. This thing is just, it's so far so good. Stay tuned, and we will do some more videos, and you're going to see it. Maybe I'll throw in some audio clips. At any rate, any comments, questions below? Post them down below. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention, if you're wondering, well, it's just a Vox system, what can you do differently? Oh, trust me, it's different. All right, talk to you later. Have yourself a good day. Any questions or comments, post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.